Did you know that geraniums are one of the most grateful and resistant plants you can grow? But at the same time, they can be quite demanding when it comes to blooming abundantly and staying free from pests. Many people get frustrated because their geraniums don't produce flowers, their leaves turn yellow, or they're attacked by aphids, whiteflies, or fungi. The good news is that you don't need to spend money on expensive fertilizers or resort to harsh chemicals to fix it. Today, I want to share with you 4 homemade fertilizers and 4 natural insecticides that are easy to prepare, budget-friendly, and very effective to keep your geraniums healthy, vigorous, and bursting with flowers all season long. Let's start with the homemade fertilizers. The first one is one of the most popular and effective: banana peels. Bananas are rich in potassium and phosphorus, 2 essential nutrients that help geraniums produce more flowers and make their colors more vivid and intense. Preparation is simple. Cut the peel into small pieces, boil it in a liter of water for about 15 minutes, let it cool, and water your plants with this liquid every 2 weeks. This homemade liquid fertilizer is perfect during the growing and flowering season, and it also boosts your plant's energy without the need for chemicals. The second fertilizer is eggshells. Often we notice that geranium stems become weak or the leaves start turning yellow, and one of the main causes is a lack of calcium in the soil. To solve this, simply wash the eggshells well, let them dry, crush them into a fine powder, and add them directly to the soil or mix them with the potting medium. This calcium boost strengthens the stems, improves soil structure, and helps the plant absorb other nutrients more efficiently, making your geraniums stronger and more resilient. The third fertilizer is used coffee grounds, an ingredient most of us have at home. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, which is essential for maintaining dense, lush, green foliage. A geranium with strong, healthy leaves will have a much greater capacity to bloom abundantly. You can use them in 2 ways: by sprinkling small amounts directly onto the soil, or by dissolving some in water to create a liquid fertilizer. However, it's important not to overuse it, since coffee can acidify the soil too much. The best practice is to apply it once a month to mature plants. The fourth fertilizer is rice water. Every time you wash rice before cooking, that cloudy white water is full of starch, minerals, and vitamins that act as a natural fertilizer. Instead of throwing it away, save it and use it to water your geraniums once a week. This liquid fertilizer not only provides nutrients, but also encourages the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, keeping the substrate active and balanced. It's such a simple way to give your plants an extra boost with something we normally waste in the kitchen. Now let's move on to the homemade insecticides, because it's no use having well-fed geraniums if pests are attacking them. The first one is garlic spray, a powerful natural repellent against aphids, whiteflies, and thrips. To prepare it, crush 3 cloves of garlic. Boil them in half a liter of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool, strain it, and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray the leaves both on top and underneath once a week. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that repel insects without harming the plant, and the best part is that it also works as a preventive measure to keep new pests away. The second insecticide is homemade potassium soap, or alternatively, liquid neutral soap. It's ideal for eliminating mealybugs, mites, and aphids. Its mode of action is fascinating. It breaks down the protective coating of the insects, dehydrating them and eliminating them naturally without affecting the plant. To prepare it, dissolve 1 tablespoon of liquid neutral soap in a liter of water, mix well, and apply directly to the affected areas with a spray bottle. It's important to apply it in the evening or when the sun is not strong, since soap under direct sunlight can burn the leaves. The third natural insecticide is neem leaf infusion. Neem is widely used in organic gardening because of its insecticidal and preventive properties, as it acts against aphids, thrips, caterpillars, and mites. To make it at home, just boil a handful of dried neem leaves in a liter of water, let it cool, and spray the entire plant. Neem not only kills active pests, but also works as a repellent to prevent future attacks, making it a perfect tool for ongoing geranium care. The fourth insecticide is a mixture of baking soda and water, which is highly effective against fungi like rust, powdery mildew, and downy mildew, common problems in geraniums when there's excess humidity or poor ventilation. To prepare it, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a liter of water. Add a few drops of liquid neutral soap to help it stick to the leaves, and spray the plant every 10 days. This solution creates an environment that's less favorable for fungal growth, prevents new infections, and helps your geraniums stay clean and healthy. As you can see, with simple ingredients like banana peels, eggshells, coffee, rice water, garlic, soap, neem, and baking soda, you can create a complete nutrition and protection plan for your geraniums. The best thing about these homemade remedies is that they're affordable, easy to prepare, eco-friendly, and highly effective at keeping your plants in top condition. Alternate the fertilizers depending on your geranium's needs, and apply the insecticides preventively to stop pests and diseases before they settle in. Always remember to apply them in the evening or on cloudy days, and combine these treatments with proper pruning, controlled watering, and good sunlight exposure. Key factors to keeping your plants strong and blooming abundantly. In conclusion, keeping geraniums healthy, pest-free, and full of spectacular flowers is not about spending money on expensive products, but about making the most of what we already have at home. The homemade fertilizers I've shared provide the nutrients your plants need to bloom, and the natural insecticides will protect them without harming your garden's ecosystem. All you need is a little consistency, and you'll see how your geraniums become the centerpiece of your balcony, patio, or garden. And if you'd like to keep learning more about these wonderful plants, I invite you to watch the video I made about the different varieties of geraniums. There, I show you the main types that exist, their characteristics, and how to choose the one that best fits your space. I'm sure you'll be surprised by how many options there are, and you'll find plenty of inspiration to keep filling your home with color thanks to this versatile and beloved plant.